Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, March 11th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So, I think a couple of big points for today. Number one, our yearly low for now in ES and Q is in the overnight. Those rarely hold, right? Just like all-time highs rarely hold in the overnight, so the monthly lows. Or yearly lows, for that matter. Now, doesn't mean we'll get it today by any stretch, but it's something to carry forward, without a doubt. That's number one. Number two, tremendous range yesterday with just the afternoon rally high to lean on. Right now, they've been pushing up towards that. Please keep in mind, imbalance in value would be the worst of your risk-reward. So I said this was a very important line in the sand to my room yesterday, because if you get above the afternoon rally high with acceptance, value is going to start to go overlapping to higher. That would be bullish. Don't forget, NQ had a double distribution day, so they have more work to do. Not only the afternoon rally high, they need acceptance into the upper distribution from yesterday. Number three, we still had very nice sell tails that have to be dealt with. Okay? Number four, and this is the most important one. Until you take out a daily high, nothing has changed. I know you keep hearing that from me, but it's the truth. Bears are firmly in control until you do that. Now, if by some chance you had an inside day, that would certainly slow the progression to the downside, but it doesn't mean we're firmly back in balance. I would call it down to balance. Number five, you have jolts out at 10 o'clock. Once again, a meaningless number that will send these algos into a tizzy. So what we're witnessing now, right, everything could be changed come 10 o'clock. So, again, we talk about game plans. Pretty difficult to give one prior, right, with the jolts and everything else. However, if at 9:30 our overnight high is somewhere around this afternoon rally high, that's a good risk-reward short, out above it, right? In NQ's case, if it's near the single print, same thing. Although that would be different in the sense that value would be overlapping a higher. Bears don't want to see that. You start getting overlapping a higher value, bulls are going to start gaining some leverage against them today. So they don't want to see this going above this afternoon rally high. So pretty much that's the line in the sand for the bears. Bulls don't have a line in the sand, right? What are they defending? They're going to defend an overnight yearly low? Probably not if it got down there. So you see the difference right now, how the tide has turned? For 2 years, it was the bulls that had a lot to defend and the bears had nothing. It has reversed right now. So now it's a matter of what transpires. Okay? And again, chart-wise, that 200-day moving average in SPY is going to be something to keep an eye on with the S&P. Okay? Right now, even with a $3 rally, we are $8 below it. Okay? So over the coming days, it's going to be interesting to see if we battle, if we get up to it, if we battle through it back and forth, because I do believe that could have longer-term money either enter or exit the market. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to these videos. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.